Everyone, I am Monica from Ielts 9. So this reading was reported on 27th April 2024 Ielts exam in India, and you can see this reading can be repeated to another countries, to my neighboring country also. So anything can happen. Let's do this reading, and on the basis of students' messages on my channel as well as on WhatsApp, I have selected this reading. If some questions are different, that doesn't matter, you have to do practice with me, just do it with me. Okay, so this reading title is Insects and Inspired Artificial Robots. So it was robots related thing and relating to insects. So here for this reading we have list of headings. We have this also, see this, match people, list of researchers, list of people with these fill in the blanks. No, it is not fill in the blanks. With opinions. So these are opinions and these are persons or list of researchers. And third type of question we have short answer type. Okay, 13 questions. Let's start with list of headings first. Okay, so how to do list of heading? It's important. So there are two methods. Either you can read first paragraph and then try to match any heading from this list, and or you can read all the headings first and just come out with some keywords in each headings, then read this A1 and then try to match anything. Okay, so I'm not saying that you will be picking some particular headings and then you will try to match. No, any question, any heading can come with A, B, C, but it is always remember, try to understand the meaning of title, as well as first paragraph is always introduction about the main topic and last paragraph is always about future. It's 99% I'm saying, but this first is introduction, last is about future as well as the future planning and all about the topic, what researchers are planning to solve the problem and all. Okay, let's start with list of heading, and I will be reading all the headings first and then I will go to paragraph wise. You have to do with me, and this reading you can find it on google.com, or you can just type this reading name and on many websites you will get this reading. So till the time we are reading this heading, so you can do subscription and support, like the video and all at the end. Okay, let's read all the heading first and then we will read the paragraphs. You will be solving the reading with me also. A biorobotic model exploring insect flight. Is biorobotic model exploring insect flight. So flight is also important, insect flight. Modern practices of artificial device usage. Modern practices of artificial device usage. Okay, robotic climber better than gecko. So this also some fascinating word. I don't know what is this. Robotic climber. Okay, insect flight inspire the applications of steering operations. Prosperity of biorobotic family. Okay, so prosperity, a word they can change, same word we will not get. Okay, so prosperity means happiness and all, something like that. Okay, the revival of modern biorobotic. Revival of modern biotic. Combine machines and environment. Okay, the advent of robots and their effects on modern society. Okay, the most famous biorobot in early days. Okay, so next one is, so this is 10th one. Bionics device is not a modern concept, means it is old concept. Now you can read first paragraph and then I will show you all options. The creation of artificial devices like life-like characteristic has been pursued for over 2000 years, beginning as did so many things in our modern world and in ancient Greece, for example, among the inventions. So first line is saying, first sentence is saying, I mean, they had these artificial devices, they have been, human being has been using for over 2000 years also. So this I have read. Now let's read one by one. A biotic model exploring insect flight. No insect flight was there in a paragraph. Modern practices of artificial device uses. No, nothing, they have not they have talked about modern world. Robotic climber, Zico word is not there. Next one, insect flight, nothing is about insect flight, and no biorobot family. The revival of modern biotics is also not there. Combined machine, the most famous biorobot in early days, that one early days is there, but no, the most famous one they have not described, just common thing they have told about artificial devices people were using it. So 11th one, bionics device is not a modern concept. It means this we can select with 10th number. But you will say, where is bionics? So creation of artificial devices like this has been pursued over this beginning as many things in our modern world. In ancient, for example, people invention of Alexandra were a, so bionic device is not there, but they are talking about artificial devices and all. Okay, so on the basis of this we have selected this, otherwise we will not get answer if you just find word to word here. Now B paragraph. With the rise of cybernetic approaches in the late 1940s and early 1950, with the rise of cybernetic approaches, a wide variety of electromechanical machines designed to mimic biological processes and systems were constructed. The best known and most directly relevant to robot is person's name. So I am doing my homework. Robotic tortoise. And Walters was a psychologist who made contribution to neuro. Okay, let's read this sentence also. With the rise of approaches in the late 1940s and 50s, a wide variety of these mechanical machines systems were constructed. Okay, let's read the options. So first, a bio-robotic model exploring insect flight was not there. So tortoise they are talking about, but touch sensor, so many things they are talking about, but they are talking about early years also. See this, insect flight not there, prosperity of biorobot families also not there, revival of modern biorobotics approaches in 1940 designed. With the rise of approaches by process systems were constructed. So revival of modern biotics, we can match this, but let's read other one. Combined machines and environment, machine is there, designed to process and systems were constructed. Okay. Environment word is not there. The advent of robots and their effect society is also not there. The most famous bio-robot in early days, I think they are early days, the most famous one, because they are talking about tortoise also. Okay, let's read the last sentence also. Although originally designed to explore Walter's theories of brain function, the tortoise became objects of popular fascination in much the same way the ancient automata did. Then we can match here the most famous bio-robot in early days and the revival of modern biotics. So modern word is not there. So we have read it, and at the end also they are saying popular fascination. So tortoises become objects of popular fascination. Actually they are talking about here this person tortoise, robotic tortoise else, and so they were talking about this. So I will select this one, the most famous bio-robotic in early days. Early days is these years. Okay, so we will select B with 9th number. Now next C paragraph, I am showing it to you. The seeds of modern resonance of biorobotics were sown from the mid 1980s to mid 90s. A key event in this resurgence was Brooks' work on behavior-based robots, although not as directly based on biology as later work would be. Brooks argues that non-trivial and flexible behavior in a robot could be generated by interaction between simple control machine and its environment. So environment word was there, I think. I have read it, demonstrating his point with robots accomplishing such tasks as insect-like walking. Okay. Another important milestone was person name is there, legged robots. Okay, so last one or two line also we can read. An early example of robots whose control was based on theories of human brain function is given by the work of this. Something is different. So let's read the options now. Insect flight is not there. Modern practices of artificial device usage. So actually the modern word is here. Okay, modern word. The revival of modern biorobotics we can see, and environment is also there. So combine machines. So machines control. Okay. In a robot, let's read the sentence. Brooks argues that non-vital flexible behavior in a robot could be generated by interaction between simple control machine and its environment, demonstrating. So here interaction is there, but combining thing is not there. So I think revival of modern biorobotics we can go. The seeds of modern resonance of biorobotics were sown from this, and this a key event in this resurgence means reoccurrence or revival work on behavior based robots. Okay, so we can just select this. Initially I will select this one, or if something is better matching with 6 number, then we can go with this. Otherwise 6 is better, the revival of modern biotics. Now see D paragraph. There has been an explosion of work in biorobotics in recent years, with robot vocal tracts, jaws, retinas, expressive faces, hand, arms, so many things they have given, deployed on robotic worms, snakes, ant flies, cockroaches, wasps, stick insects, turkeys and apes, humanoids. Thus no brief survey could possibly do justice to the range of work being undertaken. What it is matching? Okay, biorobotic model exploring insects. So insect word was there, but model exploring insect flight was not there. Modern practices of artificial device usage. This is also, I can't find it. Insect flight, nothing is there. Prosperity of biorobot family. Combined machines and environment, nothing was there. And the advent of robots and their effect on modern society is also not there. The most famous, this already we have selected. 10th also we have selected. So this is not. So what will come with D number? There has been an explosion of work in biorobotics in recent years. Many things they have given, etc. Deployed on robotic worms. So many animals name they have given. Thus no brief survey could possibly to do justice range of being work undertaken. Explosion. So explosion of biotics. Modern robotic climber, gecko is also not there, flight is also not there. This is left, and revival, this we have selected. This is not exactly matching. I think this, no sorry, this we can go with 5th number with this. Okay, now E number paragraph. A recent example of biologically inspired robotics is Spanko. This is also name. This name was also in a list of people. Question: work on hexapedal robotic climber called Rise in order to grip a vertical surface. This robot combines both bonding machines. Combination is there. Both bonding machines inspired by structure of gecko word is also their feet, and interlocking mechanism inspired by the structure of insect. Okay. So let's see this gecko word was there. Robotic climber better than gecko. So robotic climber, okay, exact everything is matching here. So we will just mark it with E number. So I will write it in the questions also. So this also we have selected. This also we have selected. Now gecko feet, exactly it is matching. Yes. Next paragraph. So F number, a powerful example of biorobotic modeling is provided by aerodynamics. Insect flight was there. So insect flight is also there, but let's read a little bit more. Although quasi-steady state analysis of the sort used to understand aircraft have been successfully applied to larger animals, they have not been successful generation of lift small flying insect due to, okay, So a recent biorobotic model by some person name is also there. Okay, so now they have started talking something different, whatever this person has said, and here they are talking about biorobotic model exploring insect flight. So this we can select it with F number. Now we have selected all here one number, and same style you have to write everything in answer sheet. 10th this, like this, not like this. Okay, so now next one is 7 to 11 questions, that is use the information in the passage to match the people. So these are the people's name, and with opinion or deed. So these are the opinions. So person's name we will go. Let's read all the options first. Neurophysiology, endowed robots with agility from the innovation of machinery. Environmental word we know it, where it was generated mechanical intelligence inspired by human brain, also I have read somewhere else. So 10th one is modified mechanical models based on the structure of insects. Paragraph insects, they were talking in F paragraph. Found the mechanism of insect flight is also in F paragraph, I think. So let's find this person's name first. So Gary Walter was in B paragraph. Let's read it. So in B paragraph we have this writer. Okay, so let's read where he let's start from this line. Perhaps the best known and most directly relevant to biorobotics is W. Gray Walters' robotic tortoises, Els and Elmer. Walters was a psychologist who made important contribution to this, and this word is given. So see this. So I am mostly looking for answers from this word. Keyword strategy, I am following it actually. So made contributions to neurophysiology. See this. They are talking about this person. He was a psychologist and who made contributions to this also. So we will just mark it here, A number person. Okay, A number will come here. Okay, next one is Rodney Brooks. So in this no other writer is there. So Rodney Brooks I can see here. So Rodney Brooks, a key event in this resurgence was Rodney Brooks' work on behavior-based robots. Behavior-based. Although not as directly based on biology as later work would be, Brooks argues that non-trivial and flexible behavior in a robot could be generated by the interaction between simple control machinery and its environment. So I was telling you where I have read somewhere environment, demonstrating his point with robots accomplishing such tasks, insect like walking. Now here environmental word is there, endowed robots with agility from the innovation of machinery. So machinery is also there and environment is also there. So I will just fit this opinion with B number writer, this number. Okay, so B number. So A and B we have done, and B, some people may match more than one discovery. It means it may possible that any person name can repeat any person's alphabet. Okay, now third one is Michael Dickinson. Okay, Michael Dickinson was in last paragraph I think, but before that this is also there. Let's read it. So this is E number, and what this is saying, an early example of robots whose control was based on theories of human brain function is given by the work of, so of course they are talking about human brain function, and human brain is here. See this, human brain generated mechanical intelligence inspired by way human brain works. So we can match with this E number here, E number. Okay, now let's find these two persons name. Now I am looking for this here in the next paragraph. Okay, in the next paragraph we have found this Spanko it. So what he is saying, we have left 10 and 11. Modified mechanical models based on structure of insects. Found the mechanism of insect flight. So flight they were talking in F paragraph, but this is E paragraph, and let's find what this is saying. A robot climber rise in order to grip a vertical surface. This robot combines both bonding mechanisms inspired by the structure of gecko feet. Structure word is here. See this structure of insects and model word modified mechanical models. Okay, biologically inspired robotics is a Spenco robotic climber called rise. I think they are talking about model only. In order to grip a vertical surface, this robot combines both bonding mechanism, structure of I think this is structure of insect they are talking, so we can match with D number. And let's find insect flight in F paragraph. Now F paragraph is there, insect flight is here, and Dickinson is here. So let's read it from here. Flying word, they are talking about Dickinson. So without thinking, I will mark this Dickinson. This Dickinson is C number. C number was there. So Dickinson is C number. See this. Now let's do short answer type. So we can use 3 words. What plays the most critical role in rabbits, hopping and legged robots? Okay. So in some paragraphs, so yeah, here paragraph is, you can see this, see paragraph, rabbits work, okay, and this same is there. So let's find what the statement, what the question says, what is the demand of question. What plays the most critical role in rabbits, hopping and legged robots? Okay. So another important milestone was rabbits work on hopping legged robots, which emphasize the central role of energetics in the dynamic balance and locomotion of. So energetic we will write here. So next one, what allowed direct measurement is important word to find, of lifting forces of biorobotic model. Now let's find this biorobotic model. I think in structure they were talking biorobotic. Over here measurement word also I am looking for. Let's move on to next page. So we are looking for biorobotic model and measurement. Each of 6 lacks freedom against robot uses a wave force control gate. No. Model word is here. See this. Biorobotic modeling is provided by this, but I am looking for measurement also. This is last paragraph, definitely maybe here. Okay. High speed measurement is here. Direct measurement of the forces involved is extremely difficult. For this reason, a robotic model with a 60 centimeter was used to explore the known steady state having by the fruit. Okay, but we are looking for, just a minute, questions. We can see this, see the question again. What allowed direct measurement of lifting forces of biorobot? Measurement of lifting. For because of this delicate size and height of insect wings, direct measurement of the forces involved is extremely difficult. Okay, for this reason, a robotic model of this and this used to, again, in order to reproduce this insects in flight, their model was submerged in mineral and scaled both in space and time. Forced sensors at the base of one wing allowed direct measurement of the forces produced illumination of air bubbles. So what forces? Force sensors at the base of one thing. See this, allowed word is also there. What allowed? So I have found this allowed and direct measurement also. Force sensors at the base of one wing allowed direct measurement of the forces of this and this. So yes, of course we will write force sensors word answer. This we have written.